Good morning, Rick. Yeah, tornado watch now in effect for the entire area, and that goes until 10 o'clock this morning. The big story was the rainfall. Broke a record at Palm Beach International Airport for 4.63 inches of rain in one day. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, here we go again. More showers, thunderstorms developing and pushing right back toward the coast. The good news was it cleared out just in time for the fireworks. So we had those, and after the fireworks, well, now we have this. I mean, look at that. That is not fog, that is smoke, and it's all left over from last night's fireworks. Not too much longer until the sun comes up. We're on our way to a nice day today, breezy, warmer than yesterday. But again, some ups and downs in your forecast, and we'll talk about it.
CBS 12 Storm Track meteorologist Craig Gold joining us live to tell us about their latest and greatest technology and hurricane research that will literally blow you away.
Or at least almost you, right?
Exactly. Look at my hair, huh? Guys, this is something that's incredible.
Craig, right now we got some weather. It's been raining out there. What's going on?
Yeah, it's been a pretty nasty afternoon for parts of the area. Primarily, South County today really got it this afternoon. Now things are quieting down there, but then where they did not see the storms during the daytime, now they're starting to get it up on the Treasure Coast. We're going to break it all down and take you a little radar tour. First of all, Boca time lapse. Man, things started out so promising, didn't they? Lots of sunshine in the morning. We got to the afternoon, all that heat and humidity bubbling up to some big-time clouds, and boom, the skies just opened up. Heavy showers and thunderstorms. Here's how things are looking outside right now across Boca. You can clearly tell where it was raining during the afternoon and where it wasn't. Look at the warmer temperatures, Treasure Coast, mid to upper 80s, and we were in the 70s as we go down to South County where it's been pouring. Well, South County, things are quieting down, but look at these thunderstorms right now across the Treasure Coast, just north of the Treasure Coast, along the Space Coast, and about to enter Sebastian. If we go ahead and we put a distance tool on here, assuming these storms are moving at about 10 miles an hour right now to the south, these should arrive, if they hold together, in Sebastian at about 7:23, okay? Now, let's assume these hold together and continue to move down to the south. They should get to the northern parts of Vero Beach by about 8:45, 9 o'clock or so. So we'll be watching for these thunderstorms as they continue to push down to the south. But meanwhile, it looks like the thunderstorm activity has quieted down across South County. There's some light to moderate rains going on now from Boynton Beach down through the Boca area. Temperatures overnight tonight, Treasure Coast, lower to middle 70s, Fort Pierce 71, 73 in Stewart once we clear out. We'll look for temperatures in the lower to middle 70s for Royal Palm, West Palm, and Palm Beach Gardens, and middle 70s expected for Boynton, Delray, and Boca. All locations drying out right around the midnight hour. We should finally break the clouds apart. Now, this area low pressure just off the coast, that's what's been causing our rain over the last couple of days. It's going to work its way out to sea. High pressure is building in. That's going to do a couple of things. One, dry us out just a little bit, but I think the more significant thing is our temperatures are going to be bumped up for the beginning of summer. So we start out tomorrow nice and sunny, no problems. Watch what happens, though. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, here we go again. More showers, thunderstorms developing and pushing right back toward the coast, but I don't think the coverage is as great as today, but a 40% chance. Tracking the tropics, that's the area low pressure just off the coast. No problems with that. We were watching an area low pressure by Haiti and the Dominican Republic. Too much wind shear, not going to develop into anything. So middle 70s overnight tonight, drying out, skies clear out, stays muggy. Tomorrow, same deal, morning sunshine followed by afternoon storms, highs in the lower 70s. Seas about 1 to 2 feet for the beachgoers and boaters. Just look out for the storms. Watch out for that lightning above. Next 7 days, hot, lower 90s, 70s for overnight lows. Dry to start the week out. More storms, though, as we go through the work week. Thomas?
All right, thanks, Craig. Up next.
Can we have a better day for a barbecue today? What do you think? Because yesterday was sort of a rain out.
Yeah, it was. So look, we had sunshine until about 2, 3 o'clock, and then the sky just pretty much opened up on us, didn't it? The good news was it cleared out just in time for the fireworks. So we had those, and after the fireworks, well, now we have this. I mean, look at that. That is not fog, that is smoke, and it's all left over from last night's fireworks. A hazy and smoky start to the day. Storms will develop again this afternoon, but most of those should stay inland. Along and west of the Turnpike, most of the metro areas should be fairly dry today. We'll give it about a 30% chance at the coast and about a 40 to 50% chance inland. So that's how it breaks down today. And it stays sizzling hot out there. Heat index values about 100 to 105. A very hot and humid day in the way for today. Starting out, well, as you can see, hazy. Lower 70s right now along the Treasure Coast. Vero Beach, good morning to you. You're 71. 72 in the Fort Pierce area. West Palm 76 and 77 as we go to Boca. So some areas started out smoky this morning. Other areas starting out rainy this morning. Boca Raton, well, you've seen some heavier showers this morning as we're looking at these rolling on in from the Atlantic waters. So some heavier downpours working in from Boca Raton, now up into Delray, and in about 10 minutes or so across Boynton Beach. We're already seeing it along the immediate beach in Boynton, but the metro area in Boynton will get it within the next 5 to 10 minutes. And if it holds together in the next 15 to 20 minutes in Lake Worth and West Palm Beach. Let's take a trip up north for a second because we are still tracking Arthur, by the way, which is no longer a hurricane. Now it's a tropical storm with top winds of 70 miles an hour, still dealing with lashing winds and rains across Maine and northern parts of New England. Again, this is racing to the north at 22 miles an hour with top winds of 70, so no longer a hurricane, now a tropical storm. Going through the Canadian Maritimes today and tomorrow, and then by midweek next week, this thing makes it all the way to Greenland. Not as a tropical system, but they'll still get some rain and wind. Now, back here at home, we should clear out the coastal showers by about 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. After that, we'll see some sunshine, and then with that sunshine, we're going to pop up more showers and thunderstorms by about noon, along and west of the Turnpike. Now, most of the heaviest activity should be out toward Lake Okeechobee by about 2, 3 o'clock today, and then by this evening, some of it will try and push back toward the coast just in time for dinner. So if you're at the beaches, just keep an eye to the sky and look out for those storms off to your west. All right, so here's how things break down area by area. Sunshine to start in South County. Scattered storms in the afternoon, mainly inland. About 90 in Lake Worth, 90 in Boca, about 92 in the Wellington area. West Palm, you're getting up to about 92 degrees this afternoon. Palm Beach Gardens 91, Royal Palm 92, Pahokee 94, and the Treasure Coast about 90 degrees this afternoon, with hit and miss thunderstorms by about noon, 1 o'clock. That's how things are breaking down. Beachgoers, motorists, seas about 2 to 3 feet. Keep an eye to the sky for the afternoon storms, especially later in the afternoon. We're giving today about a 6 on a scale of 1 to 10. Your forecast about 90 at the beaches, middle 90s inland. Look out for scattered showers and storms. 70s overnight tonight, a muggy night tonight, early showers, and then we should see clearing. Next 7 days, not much change in the thinking here. Highs around 90, overnight lows mid to upper 70s, and for each afternoon, the threat for that scattered shower or thunderstorm. You think it's summertime here, Rick?